Welcome to CreditLady.com and congratulations on taking the first step toward your credit and/or financial goals. On this particular page, this is our consultation page. The first step is for you to come here and click our 3-bureau credit monitoring site that we use to do a free credit analysis for you. Normally, many companies will charge in upwards of $199 for this particular process, but at CreditLady.com, we throw in the free credit analysis for you so that you know exactly which steps to take moving forward, and you'll have all the options laid out for you when you do your phone consultation with your rep. Now, the first step here is to, again, register with the credit monitoring site. Once you have completed this particular step, you want to come back to this page and then either choose credit if you're looking to repair your personal credit, or go to funding. So let's click on credit, and that way you'll see the form that's actually going to pop up when you click on it. So this is the form that will appear. When you fill your information in, you'll hit submit. Immediately after you hit submit, check your email, either your inbox or your junk folder, because sometimes those things happen. You want to see a questionnaire. In that questionnaire is going to look pretty much like this form, but it's going to have some more detailed information. And one of those questions on the form is going to ask for your username, password, and last four of your social that you used when you registered with the monitoring site when you clicked in step 1. This again allows us to see your credit profile and know exactly how we can assist you moving forward. We don't just quote pricing. We like to see your file because everyone's file is different. And then we offer different programs based on your income, how fast you're looking to move, those kind of things. So again, not everyone fits into one box. We want to make sure that we're giving you the one-on-one service that you need and deserve when you're working towards rebuilding your credit or trying to get the funding that you so desire. So again, complete step 1, then remember to come back to this page and click either for credit or funding. Thank you again for visiting CreditLady.com.